Naintindihan mo Tagalog, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here is the question. Bilang isang taga-Banawi, sa iyong pananaw, bakit mahalaga ang unang pagdiriwang o selebrasyong ito, 2024 Founding Celebration? At ano ang kahalagahan at importansya sa iyo bilang Mr. Banawi 2024? Thank you.
Sir, wala pong English translation.
Ano? Sa Amerikano dito. ikaw na Master of Ceremony.
Banawian, in your own view, okay?
Sa iyong pananaw.
Why is it important to celebrate
mahalaga
this first founding anniversary, 2024 founding celebration, and how important it is
to you?
for Banawi, and how important it is for you as Mr. Banawi 2024.
Wala namang
Thank you, sir.
important to Banawi sa question.
Celebrating our founding anniversary plays an important role in our community because it fosters our cultures and traditions here in Banawi, Ifugao. And this celebrating important to me as future Mr. Banawi
Ipso tuloy.
2024 because it is also my identity as a Jew Banawians, and I believe that through these cultures we will be known by others because I advocate to promote the cultural heritage of Banawi Ifugao. That could be all, and I think.
Good evening, everyone. As someone who grew up in Banawi, it is important for me to know our history, for us youths to be educated about our roots, because it is the foundation of what we are today. And if we continue to honor our roots, we continue to learn about our history, that's when we empower ourselves, our people, our fellow Banawians. Thank you.
Kala mo lang hindi kinabahan, huminga eh.
Mahalaga itong programa.
This founding celebration is very important to us, especially for the people in the community, because it is where we begin where our municipality has begun, and it's important for me as a Mr. Banawi 2024 because it brings us to our founding
Foundation.
ancestors that
Apo.
we should honor their
Contributions.
we should honor them. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, officials, Board of Judges. Well, mahalaga ang pagdiriwang ng ating founding anniversary celebration kasi we can honor our past leaders. We can learn from them. We can use what they did to our community in order for us to be better as a municipality of Banaue. And it is very important for me because I am a cultural advocate and the past mayors, the past builders of Banaue since the 1901 has the qualities of a real Ifugao and a real Ifugao people that we can learn from. Because I believe that we, native people, can cope up with the demands of this modern society. So we are not just native people, we are not just indigenous people, rather we are indigenous people. Thank you.